As I speak to you today, I have 3 doctors already here at the hospital. That is the cardiac surgeon, Dr. Sanjeev Kulbe, Dr. Rahula, the neuro and spine surgeon, and Dr. Satish Nadella, the oncologist. They're already at the hospital seeing the OPDs. That's the kind of commitment we have given to the Government of Samoa, and we will continue to do that.
Thank you very much, Honorable Prime Minister, for the opportunity to sign the contract part-time.
Well, I'm very pleased that we've been able to do this because it's now been a while since Cabinet passed the paper to begin our collaboration again. So we're very pleased you're able to travel to Samoa and to have your representative in Fiji be with us this morning. In the past, we've appreciated the services with Apollo.
Yes.
I think it was a very positive experience, not only for the medical cases, but the support people who came with them, because that was always a concern for us, traveling that distance, but you were able to accommodate. And I think that was very important also for the patients, that they had that family with them.
I'm very happy to be here today this morning in Apia. Wish to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of Samoa for blessing this MOU, and I'm honored to be here to meet the Honorable Health Minister, the CEO, and as the CEO was briefing, Apollo Hospitals and Government of Samoa have always had a very good relation in terms of medical exchange, and we are only re-signing this because our relationship started long back, and before COVID we had patients from Samoa who came that side, and they all were very happy with the kind of services they were receiving from Apollo Hospitals doctors. And then the doctors used to come here and treat patients, look after their post-operative care. Before COVID, we even had the deputy doctor who was intensivist looking after the intensivist jobs here. She was able to put up a nice ICU, look after the post-care treatment here, and she's given protocols for how to treat patients, especially from infectious disease point of view. Today, this is a very, very special day again. We are re-signing this thing which will take us forward. And as I was briefing Honorable Prime Minister, Apollo Hospitals will be here to look after the patients who come to us, and then our doctors come this way as required periodically to review the patient's post-operative care and also do a lot of knowledge and skill transfer. The main thing is this: we work together on developing a platform where the doctor in Samoa, the medical and paramedical, will be able to give the world-class care to the patients in this country itself. And as we go forward, soon the doctors here will start operating. Apollo doctors will be here to assist them under the supervision. They start operating on patients and also do a lot of clinical exchange program. As I speak to you today, I have 3 doctors already here at the hospital. That is the cardiac surgeon, Dr. Sanjeev Kulbe, Dr. Rahula, the neuro and spine surgeon, and Dr. Satish Nadella, the oncologist. They're already at the hospital seeing the OPDs. That's the kind of commitment we have given to the Government of Samoa, and we will continue to do that. And I wish the team from here on behalf of Apollo Hospitals all the best, and look forward to the visit of Honorable Health Minister and the CEO to Apollo Hospitals as soon as possible, so that they can even look at our hospital and understand how we can do better, because the learning is always improving. We would love to do this more often. Thank you so much for the opportunity again.